What weighs 3 pounds and runs the world? Your brain, the ultimate organic supercomputer. Let's plug into its power. Your brain processes billions of signals per second. It's an intricate network of neurons that form the basis of your thoughts, actions, and emotions. Every time you learn something new, make a decision, or experience something novel, your brain forms new neural connections and strengthens existing ones. This incredible ability of the brain to rewire itself is called neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity allows your brain to adapt to new information and experiences, which in turn shapes your behavior, thinking patterns, and even physical traits. For example, when you learn a new language, your brain creates new neural pathways that allow you to process that language more efficiently. Similarly, if you start exercising regularly, your brain will form new connections that enhance your motor skills and coordination. This incredible organ is constantly changing and evolving in response to your actions and environment. It's a dynamic system that allows you to grow, learn, and adapt throughout your life. But the benefits of neuroplasticity don't stop there. Your brain also has the ability to eliminate unused neural connections, which helps to keep your brain functioning at its best. For example, if you don't use a particular skill or knowledge for a long time, your brain may start to forget it. But by using it again, you can reactivate the relevant neural pathways and bring that information back into your conscious awareness. This is why it's important to keep challenging yourself and learning new things. It keeps your brain sharp and enhances your cognitive abilities. Now let's talk about memory. Your brain has the incredible ability to store and retrieve vast amounts of information. In fact, it's estimated that your brain can store up to 2.5 petabytes of data, which is equivalent to 3 million hours of TV shows. That means you have enough space in your brain to store all the information you could possibly need for an entire lifetime. But how does your brain manage to store and retrieve so much information? The answer lies in the amazing structure of your brain. Your brain is divided into different regions that are responsible for different functions. For example, the hippocampus is responsible for forming new memories, while the amygdala plays a key role in processing emotions. These regions work together to help you remember not just facts and figures, but also the emotions and experiences associated with them. For example, if you were to read a book, your brain would process the information in different ways depending on what type of information it was. If you were reading a novel, your brain would activate the region responsible for processing language, and also the region responsible for processing emotions. Depending on the type of novel that you're reading, this allows you to fully immerse yourself in the story and connect with the characters on an emotional level. But it's not just about storing information. Your brain also has the incredible ability to retrieve it when you need it. This is why you might remember a song from your childhood that you haven't heard in years, or why a smell might trigger a flood of memories. Your brain is constantly making connections between different pieces of information, even if you're not consciously aware of it. So the next time you sit down to learn something new, remember that your brain is capable of storing and retrieving vast amounts of information. Embrace the challenge and see how much you can remember. All right, now let's talk about emotions. Your brain has the incredible ability to process and regulate your emotions, which is essential for your overall well-being and quality of life. Emotions are complex psychological phenomena that involve a network of different brain regions working together. When you experience an emotion, different parts of your brain become active and send signals to other parts of your body, triggering a physical response. For example, when you feel happy, your brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which can make you feel relaxed and at ease. But emotions aren't just about feeling good. They also play an important role in helping you make decisions and solve problems. For example, if you're feeling sad or anxious, your brain may trigger a different set of emotions to help you process those feelings and find ways to improve your situation. Your brain is constantly processing and regulating your emotions to keep you in balance. By understanding how your brain processes emotions, you can learn to manage them more effectively and use them to your advantage. So the next time you're feeling emotional, take a moment to appreciate the incredible complexity and power of your brain. So the next time you sit down to learn something new, remember that your brain is capable of amazing things. It can store and retrieve vast amounts of information, process and regulate your emotions, and adapt and change in response to new information and experiences. Keep challenging yourself and learning new things, and you will continue to unlock the amazing power of your brain. Feed your mind like it feeds your future. Your brain is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals and dreams. So invest in your brain and watch what happens. Like and share this video with your friends and family, and hit subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Together, we can unlock the amazing power of our brains and create a better future for ourselves and for humanity.